What's going on, guys? It's Ryan with Anything RC, and today we got something new in the shop. This is an axial Unimog 6x6. Some of the features are that it comes with a Spectrum SCX10 controller, the Dynamite AE5L ESC with drag brake, Spectrum S605 servo, and 161 inches of steering torque. The SRX200 receiver. It's got the military crew cab body, and it comes with a spare tire. So let's open it up and see what comes in the box. Triple sealed for authenticity. First thing that comes out, your radio and your bind plug. Then your bag of goodies. Looks like they give you a couple gates there. And there she is, the UMG. You can't see it yet though. And there you guys go, that's the UMG 6x6. So it's got two clips in the front here that you just unclip, and then the whole back body unfolds like this. And that's what it looks like. And that's the UMG 6x6. Thank you guys for watching. This is Ryan with Anything RC. You guys have a great day.